বাতাসে বহিছে প্রেম, নয়নে লাগিল নেশা, কারা যে ডাকিল পিছে, বসন্ত এসে গেছে। মধুর অমৃত বাণী, বেলা গেল সহজেই, মরমে উঠিল বাজি, বসন্ত এসে গেছে। থাক তবু ভুবনের ধুলি মাখা চরণে, মাথা নত করে রব, বসন্ত এসে গেছে, বসন্ত এসে গেছে।
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I create this makeup look. This makeup look is specially for Pohela Falgun. This festival is celebrated in Bangladesh and West Bengal. And I love this festival. This is festival for color. This is festival for flower. And I hope you will enjoy this video. Let's keep on watching. First, I'm gonna apply rose water. This is the Good Vibes Rose Gold water. I'm applying this in my skin for hydrating my skin. This is also a good toner. Now I'm tapping this for absorb in my skin. For moisturize my skin, I'm using Good Vibes Saffron Day Cream. Today I'm not going to use any kind of oil because this is a day makeup. I'm using little bit in my skin and gently massage it. And especially don't forget to use sunscreen. I'm using Biotic Sandalwood sunscreen. For foundation, I'm using Maybelline Full Coverage Foundation. This is shade Honey. I'm taking this one pump because this is so full coverage. And I'm applying this in my skin. I'm just applying in my one side of face and just blending this because this is so dry and this is winter. Blend it as fast as you can. I'm blending this very gently because blending is the important thing of your makeup. Because today I'm wearing a sari, so I apply in my neckline. I'm applying foundation in my neck because this is so important. I just applied foundation and now I'm drawing my eyebrow. I'm filling my eyebrow. This is a brown eyebrow pencil. This is cream base because I have naturally bushy eyebrow. so I just fill a little bit. If you don't have eyebrows like me or bushy eyebrows, you have to apply cream eyebrow, like just in stroke. Place it here in your eyebrow and create little stroke. And blend this for making natural. It's done. Now I'm using concealer. This is NYX concealer. I'm using this. I'm using in my under eye and also in my eyelid, because today I'm creating so much colorful eye makeup. So I'm now creating my base eye. Makeup is an art. Please don't do over it. And do like an artist. Now I am blending this with a concealer brush. Now I'm blending this with a blender. For setting my concealer, I'm using banana powder. I'm tapping this in my under eye and the lid of my eyes. I'm just taking a little bit because it makes skin so dry, and rest of the powder I'm using in my face. A little bit, brushing it out. For today's eye makeup, I'm using lots of color, and this is the first shade. These two yellow are my transition shade, and I'm using pink today because I wear a pink sari, and I'm using some bit of red. First, I'm applying lemon yellow color in my whole eyelid because this is my transition shade. And next I'm taking yellow card and I'm placing this in the below of lemon yellow. Now I'm also using this in my lower eye. And I'm blending this very smoothly. Now I'm applying pink color in my outer corner because I wear a dark pink sari, and I'm placing this in my outer corner. This is not dark pink color eyeshadow, this is pink color eyeshadow, and I'm placing this in my outer corner. Now I'm taking red color eyeshadow and I'm just tapping for brush out my excess eye color, and I'm placing in the outer corner because I need some vibrant color in my eyelid because this is a spring look, this is a pohela falgun look. I want to look like a flower. Now I'm second time taking yellow color because I want to deepen this, because this is so light color. Now I'm blending this all of color because I want to look so natural. Today you can see I have a bump in my eyelid. You can see this. Please ignore this. I'm doing my best for you. If you like my video, please support me. And I'm blending this, and this is almost done. Now I'm taking a little tiny brush and using red color on this. I'm using this in my lower eye area. I'm placing it just here. I'm filling just half, not my full area. I'm just filling half because here is some yellow color in my inner corner. Now I am placing highlighter in my inner corner. Now I am applying eyeliner. This is liquid eyeliner. This is from Faces Canada. I have done my eyeliner. Now I'm using white color kajal in my waterline. It will brighten my eyes. I love this technique. Now I'm going to apply mascara. This is waterproof hyper curl mascara. I'm just placing and round it out. I want a sun-kissed look, so I applied bronzer. This is bronzer from Sugar. I'm using in my forehead, a little bit of bridge of nose, and here, and for my cheeks I'm using Revolution blush. This is shade Peach. I'm using this in my upper lip cheeks. And a little bit of my bridge of nose. Now I am using Makeup Revolution highlighter. This is highlighter so pigmented, and love this highlighter. I'm placing a little bit of my highlighted area because this is so pigmented, and I'm placing this in my hair, not my middle of forehead, it's the side of forehead. I'm just blending this, and a little bit of my bridge of nose. I'm applying this in my upper lip. For my lips, today I will use 2 lipstick, one shaded pink. I'm applying this in my inner part of lips. Next I'm taking purple color and fill the lips. My look is almost complete and I'll be back with my final look. Hey guys, this is my final look. If you like my look, please comment below. Thank you for watching my video.